Hello teachers. Today I'm going to discuss the additional activity for intermediate level C7 along with the project solution. After doing the main activity for the class, if you're left with some time, we can do the additional activity wherein the student can go ahead and create a new project in which he is supposed to go ahead and create the phase 1 of the game. So in this phase one, the student is supposed to use a background that is a code background. He's supposed to create that along with the three sprites, that is a start button, a yellow car and a blue car. And then further create the click event that when the start is clicked, then the start button will be removed. So let's see the coding. So here the student is supposed to go to the world section, snap in the set background and can choose the code background. Create the three sprites with the help of the make new sprite block from the sprite section. Make sure you share the X and the Y location so that the student can place the sprites appropriately as per the document, and he is going or she is going to create the click event. So from the event section can snap in the when clicked event, and we are saying when the start is clicked, then the start button will be removed. Again, we will say that the remove block will be like the student can snap it in from the sprite section. That is all for the additional activity. Let's move on to the project solution. So the project for this class is Lost in Space. Let's see the goal of the project. In class 7, you started to build the bouncing ball game. You completed the first 4 phases in which you learned to incorporate multiple behaviors to a sprite. In this project, you will have to practice and apply what you learned and help Natasha come back to Earth. Always encourage your student to read the story so that they get a better understanding of what they are supposed to do in the project. To begin with, the student is supposed to click on the project template, log in with their respective credentials, and then can remix the project and rename it as project 7 and save. So once the student has clicked on the project template, this is what will be seen. This is the remix button, and once they remix, they will get the option to rename it and save it. So first, let's see what all has already been done. So it is already mentioned that the specific task has already been completed. Here is what is already done for you. So the background is already created. As we all can see, the background is created. Natasha, the girl, is created with the jetpack. The size of the jetpack is 15. And the collision event, that when Natasha is going to touch the jetpack, then Natasha will jump to a location along with the jetpack. That is what is already done. Now, further, it says add the code to the following key events. So here it is specifically talking about the direction. So as like in the main class, we have already learned about the direction. So here we are going to use the when pressed event and move Natasha as per the direction. So let's see. Okay, so we will go to the events section. We will get the when pressed, choose the location, and to move Natasha along with the direction, we are going to go to the sprite section, and we will snap in the move pixels block that has the direction. So I've used this here, and I've chosen the sprite that is Natasha with 10 pixels to north. So towards each direction, up, left, down and right. So up will be north, left is west, down is south and right is east. So Natasha, we are going to go ahead and create this for the sprite Natasha with 10 pixels moving towards each direction whenever the pressed event is used. Now let's get back to the document. Once this is created, then we will see what is there for the next step. It says when Natasha touches the jetpack, the size of the jetpack must be set to 100. So here it is, when Natasha touches the jetpack, the size of the jetpack is changed to 100. Then Natasha begins to move north. So Natasha begins to move north. The behavior is added. The jetpack also begins to move north. So for the jetpack as well, we are saying moving north. Then place sound with the melodic loss 1. So here the place sound block from the sprite section, from the word section, uh, it's right here. And you can choose it. It has chosen the melodic loss from the explosion category. So these are the codes that we have to add as per the project document. Once this is done, student can click on the run option and can see if it is working successfully. If yes, then either the student can click on the share option and copy the link, this one, or students can simply copy the URL and submit in the submit box for the project. So that is all what is what the student is supposed to do for the additional activity as well as the project. Thank you.